I've been hearing about this conference and I always wanted to be here.
I've been coming here since 2018, and I come here to come to the center of the React Native universe to find out what's the latest in React Native.
What I'm learning is how everyone is using React and React Native, what are the pain points, what are the success stories.
It's really special to actually see the people that have developed the packages that we in our daily basis actually use. It's fun to see them in person and actually get to talk to them.
We meet different ideas.
Some people that you know from the web, from GitHub, you see them in front of you, which is very funny, and I love this part of the connections.
Being around people who maintain popular libraries, people I can learn from, and also just getting out of my bubble.
I've made a lot of friends over the years. A large part of the reason why I come here is to see my friends in the React Native community.
I think it's amazing, and it's lovely to see people come together with a shared goal, shared mindset. It's just an energetic atmosphere of people who want to learn and people just being together and showing cool stuff. I think this is really amazing.
It opens up so many opportunities. I've met so many other developers where we've met up outside of the conference. I've not been able to only receive help and advice and discussions about new technologies. I've been able to give that as well.
Having people from all over the world coming here, people from America, from China, from Europe, people from Meta, Microsoft, Amazon, even ByteDance.
I actually just came alone, like I'm not with anyone from my company. So it's been really cool to meet other people, network.
Made loads of friends, not just over tech, had some really nice discussions, had discussions about mental health, about being the best you can be, taking care of your health, and just being a good person, living a good life. You know, it's not just about tech, it's about that as well.